We're here to introduce to you the OTOFIX D1 Lite. In here we have the PCI, USB cable, USB to Ethernet cable, charging adapter. Here we have the scan tool, very sleek. In here we have the manual. So let's talk a little about the OTOFIX D1 Lite and its features. It comes with 2 years free software updates and 2 years warranty. It's bi-directional control for active testing, 38 services and reset functions. Supports endoscope, specifically the MV105. This scan tool is a good tool and I would recommend it to anyone.